Ishita Datta and Vatsal Seth, thank you so much for joining me on E-Times.
Well, it's a pleasure.
मैं आप दोनों को एक बात साफ बता दूं, अगर मैं फिल्म बना रहा होता तो डेफिनेटली कंसीडर करता कि आप दोनों को ही लीड पेयर बनाऊं, क्योंकि आप दोनों मेरे से पहले यहाँ पर टाइम पर हो.
Thank you so much. I think that's one thing, we always believe in being punctual and respect everybody's time. आप भी बहुत busy हैं, हम भी busy हैं. So I mean, it's just about respecting everybody's time. So
कोशिश करते हैं कि टाइम पे आ जाए.
इसलिए जब आप बार बार पूछ रहे थे तो मैं बोला मैं आपको एग्जैक्ट टाइम बताऊंगा, बिकॉज यू आर आस्किंग, आई डोंट वांट टू मेक यू वेट बाय नेसेसरली आपको भी वेट कराएं. So that's why, took time to fix up this meeting, but चलो शुरू करते हैं.
No, I don't think it took time. You were just bang on. Yesterday I called you, and right now, today here you are. Let me start by reminding you that I was that one person जिसने आपका भांडा फोड़ दिया था. ISKCON में आपकी शादी.
I remember.
भाई आपको पता है आपने बहुत भांडे फोड़े हैं. जब हम टार्जन कर रहे थे तभी हमारा सिलसिला तब से आपके साथ.
तो it was just a visit where I had gone actually to check someone else's engagement and marriage. और वहाँ काउंटर पे बोला नहीं, यहाँ ऐसी तो कोई मैरिज नहीं हो रही है आज, लेकिन हाँ एक फिल्म मैरिज है. एक ये लड़की है इशिता दत्ता. उन्हीं दिनों मैंने दृश्यम देखी थी, एंड इशिता यू वर एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक इन दैट. सो वो दिमाग में तो रह गया था. इट वाज नॉट अ फिल्म वेयर यू कुड फॉरगेट दैट व्हाट इशिता हैज प्लेड. बोला ठीक है, लेकिन किससे शादी कर रही है? ठीक है, वत्सल सेठ से कब शादी की? गूगल में देखा तो हर जगह वी डिनाई.
हमारे लिए काफी शॉकिंग था.
आपको पता है हम लोग ने किसी को नहीं बताया था. किसी को, मतलब मैं उस दिन हासिल शूट कर रहा था, तो जायद भाई सब थे. किसी को नहीं बताया था. मैंने बस बताया था कि 2 दिन के लिए मैं हॉलिडे के लिए जा रहा हूँ बाहर गाँव, और 2 दिन के बाद आ जाऊंगा. तो किसी को कोई आइडिया नहीं था. और हमने मतलब जितने गेस्ट को बुलाया था वो भी गिन चुन के बहुत ही कम गेस्ट थे, 50 लोग थे. उनको भी एक दिन पहले फोन किया था और बोला था कि आप किसी को मत बताए ना, और ऐसे ही आ जाना. सो हुआ ये कि हमने अंडर द रैप्स रखा था, किसी को पता नहीं था. और सडनली क्या हुआ, आई टेल यू समथिंग, इट्स वन ऑफ द थिंग्स व्हिच आई ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. तो पंडित जी वो मंत्र पढ़ रहे थे, एंड सडनली देयर वर लाइक 3-4 फोटोग्राफर्स. सो बिकॉज वी आर एक्टर्स, हमारा ध्यान सबसे पहले फोटोग्राफर्स वीडियोग्राफर्स पे सबकॉन्शियसली भी जाता है. Then I was telling Ishita, I said, Ishita, इतने सारे लोग क्या खींच रहे हैं अपने, like I mean, because we knew that because of small wedding हमने बोला था कि एक ही फोटोग्राफर है, एक ही वीडियोग्राफर है जो अपना शूट करने के लिए 3-4 जन शूट करते हैं. ऐसे तो इशिता ये 3-4 जन कैसे आया? तो तुम लोग ने बुलाया कहीं?
तो मैंने कहा नहीं तुमने बुलाया. तो मुझे लगा कि शायद इन्होंने बुलाया होगा. तो ना वो इनके थे ना हमारे थे,
वो आपके थे.
I was so funny क्योंकि मुझे इतने कॉल्स आ रहे थे फ्रेंड्स फैमिली से. उन्होंने कहा हमने काफी लोगों को बताया नहीं था, और हमारा प्लान था कि शादी हो जाएगी सबको कॉल करेंगे पर्सनली और बताएंगे कि
ट्विटर और आजकल तो सब कुछ वहीं पे डाल दिया जाता है.
हमारा प्लान हो गया पूरा. हमारी शादी पूरी
मुझे
कवर हो गई.
एक बात बताओ, आप लोग डिनाई क्यों कर रहे थे इतने? एक साल तो किया because you met on the serial रिश्तों का सौदागर.
It's not actually about denying, I mean, each to its own. Everybody has a different take on wedding and marriage, and we both wanted to keep it very subtle, very small, very limited. I mean, we just wanted like immediate family members, to be part of this thing. I mean, that is the reason. ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं था कि छुपाना था या वो कोई बात नहीं थी. But it's just that जब पता चलता है ना तो फिर बहुत लोग इधर उधर लाइक कंटिन्यूस कॉल्स चलते. सो वी थॉट दैट माइट एज वेल छोटा वेडिंग करते खत्म करते फिर सबको बताएंगे.
कि अभी भी कुछ लोग नाराज हैं क्योंकि उन्हें मीडिया से मालूम पड़ा और हमसे नहीं. फिर लगा कि शायद बता ही देते तो बेटर होता.
हमारा प्लान था कि हम सबको बताएंगे, बट देन अनफॉर्चुनेटली काफी लोगों को मीडिया से पता चल गया. जैसे हासिल में जब ये आपने कॉल किया तो आई एम श्योर और फोटोग्राफर्स और जर्नलिस्ट को भी पता चल गया.
हाँ.
तो वहाँ हमारे मेरे सेट पे सबको फोन गए, और सब लोग मेरे जो को स्टार्स थे सबको फोन आया कि भाई ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है. तो बोले नहीं यार वत्सल कल तो साथ में था वो. हुआ है, शादी वादी नहीं ऐसा कुछ
हो ही नहीं सकता. But yeah.
अजय देवगन को तो मालूम होगा, you both are very close to Ajay.
Yeah, we had invited Ajay sir, Kajol ma'am, so yeah. Actually, he was a matchmaker in a way.
Oh yeah, please tell me that before I go to the next question.
No, I mean because he's worked with me also and he's worked with Ishita also, so somewhere down the line, he knew about it.
So actually, I should have congratulated you before, saying this, all what we have spoken so far. Many, many congratulations, Vatsal, for being the most desirable man declared by Ahmedabad Times.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
What did you feel when you hear this?
I was like, mera hai.
Okay. And then, if I was to ask you this question, Ishita, that say, if I had asked you this question 1 week before, that who is the most desirable man on this planet, would you have said Vatsal or anybody else?
On this planet?
Planet में तो काफी लोग हैं.
देखो.
Desirable.
Thanks to this poll.
No, but मेरी life of course Vatsal is the most desirable. But yeah, of course I like a lot of other personalities and actors whom I think are very very talented and very very good looking. But I was very proud. मेरे को Vatsal ने snapshot भेजा. किसी ने I think Vatsal को भेजा and then he sent me.
So tell us.
So I was very happy. I was like.
Tell us who are the other desirable men.
I like Hugh Jackman. I like Chris Hemsworth.
Even I like him.
Yeah. So I really like them. So maybe yeah. For me, वो भी रहेंगे list में मेरे.
She's not naming any Bollywood hero, Vatsal.
So I'm okay.
Yes, he's okay.
Okay. I think it's 3.5 years, if I'm not wrong. Let's rewind on all these moments which you have had. Ishita and Vatsal, tell me the biggest fight in these 3.5 years.
So I'll tell you first before I say the biggest fight. Fight करना Vatsal के साथ बहुत मुश्किल है because he is someone वो बहुत ही tactfully चीजों को handle करते हैं. अगर मैं बहुत hyper हूँ in person, I get hyper and मैं ये चाहिए वो चाहिए ऐसा जो भी मैं argument शुरू करूंगी लेकिन Vatsal will be very calm. So he's like the calm person in my life. तो झगड़ा तभी होता है जब दोनों लोग equally hyper होते हैं. तो because Vatsal is not hyper तो उतना झगड़ा नहीं होता. मतलब मुझे force करना पड़ेगा अगर मैं चाहती हूँ कि Vatsal मेरे साथ झगड़े. But still I would say I don't remember actually इतना बड़ा कुछ argument.
No, I don't think so.
And also हम लोग का एक rule है कि हम सोने के पहले we sort out जो भी problem है. उस दिन का problem उसी दिन हम sort out करके फिर हम
चाहे कोई भी छोटी मोटी misunderstandings हो या कुछ भी हो. I mean we made a pact that like if there is any misunderstanding, कुछ बुरा लगा, कुछ अच्छा लगा, जो भी है, before we go to sleep we have to sort it out.
Yeah, so it doesn't spill over to the next 2 days, 4 days, 6 days, and people don't talk to each other.
Exactly.
It happens in many couples. Which has been the biggest gift that you all have given to each other? I want to hear it from both of you.
Biggest gift.
I think
the most cherished.
Very honest, we both are very. We are not very materialistic, I think the biggest gift is that we give each other space. Each we let them be, like Ishita, is herself, I am myself, and that is, I feel, the most important part in a relationship. When you're in a relationship, that is the most important thing, that you have to let each other be and be themselves, and that's the reason you like each other, you fall in love with each other, or you marry that person because of that person. You don't need to change that person, and that's I think that's one of the most precious things. Material things छोटे मोटे होते हैं वो आते जाते हैं, but these are the most precious things, and yeah, for me it's that.
I think when आपने जब पूछा तो मैं भी सोच रही थी because I think जो मेरे दिमाग में आया वो छोटी छोटी चीजें ज्यादा आई that he does for me. For example, like I don't like making my tea coffee. शादी के बाद तो मैंने बनाना ही छोड़ दिया है tea coffee because पूरा Vatsal का department है and he knows exactly how I like it. So कभी कभी शूट के लिए मैं 6 बजे भी उठती हूँ तो Vatsal मेरे पहले उठ के he'll make chai for me. So I really appreciate all of that. अगर mood खराब है मेरा या अगर I'm having a bad day, Vatsal is going to be there and he also knows कि कभी कभी मुझे बहुत space की जरूरत होती है. I just want to be alone. So I think we give that to each other and I think that's why I feel we cherish each other more. क्योंकि हमें वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है। और कहीं दिस ऑल्सो आई थिंक वी डिस्कस बिफोर मैरिज कि काफी बार होता है लोगों के बीच में प्यार होता है, शादी कर लेते हैं, देन दे ट्राई टू चेंज ईच अदर, कि जो सेम हैबिट्स अच्छी लगती थी अभी अच्छी नहीं लगती है, ये चेंज करो वो चेंज करो। द बेस्ट थिंग इज वत्सल इज नेवर ट्राई टू चेंज। मुझ में काफी खामियां है, बट ही इज नेवर ट्राई टू चेंज इट, ही इज लिविंग विद इट। And similarly, things that I don't like about Vatsal, I'll accept it. But if he wants to change, very good. But I will never tell him कि ये मुझे पसंद नहीं, वो मुझे पसंद नहीं है. You know, I like him the way he is, and he likes me the way I am.
यार चाय कॉफी बनाना एक दूसरे के लिए तो सुना था, लेकिन getting up before or if she has to go somewhere is something remarkable.
क्योंकि मैं नहीं उठ सकती सुबह को. Like Vatsal has to wake me up. I cannot get up. 50 अलार्म भी लगा दो, मैं नहीं उठ सकती.
As you know, we are very punctual and we have to make sure that we have to reach on time when it's.
So if I'm punctual, I think it's because of Vatsal, because he makes sure that अगर लेट हो रहा है तो he is more stressed कि लेट हो रहा है, जाओ निकलो, you'll get late.
Usually I'm shooting पर भी Vicky bhai, we reach 10-15 minutes before the call time. So that's how we are.
I hope you're not taunting me for being 3 minutes late on this.
No.
No.
Okay. So as a follow-up question to the space you all give to each other, what I want to ask is, how possessive are you about each other? Because that is something I think natural, it happens. Say if he's talking to someone, who are you talking to? If he's talking to someone who's on the line, why is this person calling at this hour? Do these things
again?
I mean, I would say,
and
I think
of course, one more thing before you start answering, the scripts which you all get, and if they have intimate scenes or romantic scenes, are you all particular about discussing that?
He doesn't give me any reason to be possessive, honestly. I know I can be very possessive, but आज तक कभी ऐसा उतना कुछ हुआ नहीं है, because I think Vatsal he's pretty, I don't know, he's never given me a reason.
See, I don't think so. हमारी दोनों की ऐसी personality है, about being possessive, because honestly we talk to each other, and whatever is there, we actually discuss out everything, so that's the reason, she exactly knows what's happening in my life, and I exactly know what's happening in her life. If I'm talking to someone or meeting someone, she exactly knows कि क्या हो रहा है, कौन है, क्या है, there's nothing hidden, like. And ऐसा नहीं है कि she wants to check my phone or I want to check my phone, because हमारे दिमाग में वो आता ही नहीं है. And the most important thing, it's about trust. Again, giving each other space and trusting each other. Trust is the biggest building block of this relationship. So that's there. And again, when it's concerning, professional life, I think we both are like really matured. Thankfully we both are actors, so we know what happens on the set. So ऐसा नहीं है. अगर हम में से कोई एक्टर नहीं होता तो मे बी थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता, एज यू राइटली सेड, कुछ इंटीमेट सीन हो गया या ये हो गया. अगर कोई एक्टर नहीं है तो उनको लगता है बताइए क्या होता है, बट वी बोथ आर एक्टर्स, सो वी बोथ अंडरस्टैंड, it's a very professional thing. And again, between us, we don't get into each other's professional life. Of course we are always there to advise each other, but ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't want you to do it, or she says that I don't want you to do it. ऐसा कभी नहीं.
Yeah, I think what happens with trust is also कि आप अगर किसी को, आप बहुत सारे कपल्स एक दूसरे का फोन चेक करते हैं, there is no end to it. Trust is something जो अंदर से आता है. आप चाहे मेल्स दिखा दो, फोन लॉग्स दिखा दो, if somebody has to do something, they will do it. So I also feel कि ये अब जब ये शुरू हो जाता है ना रिलेशनशिप में, then it's kind of heading towards an end. तो हम ये बिल्कुल नहीं करते, like we are completely against this entire thing of कि एक दूसरे के लाइफ में इतना ज्यादा घुस जाओ कि suffocation लगने लगे. So he has a set of friends, I have my set of friends. In fact, we always say कि कभी कभी अलग होके भी chill करना जरूरी है. You need to speak to other people apart from me. So वो है professionally, जैसा आपने पूछा, like I personally have a lot of restrictions when it comes to doing certain scenes, but वो मेरा personal take है. When I discuss with Vatsal, he's always like, you should be comfortable. If you are comfortable, you do it. You are not comfortable, you don't do it. You shouldn't be thinking कि मुझे कैसा लग रहा है, तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को कैसा लग रहा है, मेरे पेरेंट्स को कैसा लग रहा है. नहीं, what are you feeling, and if you're okay, then please do it. So I think in future also, if we ever feel with Vatsal or me कोई project जिसमें certain scenes are important and we are comfortable, I think we'll go ahead with it, and the other person will not have any issues.
I don't know why I've forgotten to ask you, Ishita, what are the features or what makes this man so desirable?
I think his eyes. I mean, eyes. That's the first thing you notice about Vatsal. And अभी तो smile थोड़ी छुप गई है ये सब दाढ़ी के अंदर, but his smile is also something that I really find very cute.
The most romantic holiday?
Paris.
Yeah, Paris was amazing.
And when was that?
We went, so हम लोग शादी के बाद we went for a short trip, honeymoon उतना, because he was working, we couldn't go. So Paris was our official honeymoon.
2018.
2018, yeah.
18.
2018.
Okay. Ishita, the best film that Vatsal has done so far?
Film, honestly, मैंने उनकी सारी films नहीं देखी है, but the show that I really loved and the first time where I noticed Vatsal was एक हसीना थी, जो मेरी mother watch करती थी, and I loved him. He was playing negative, and I used to hate him because he was so like bad in the show, but I really liked his work. So when I got to know कि मैं इनके साथ काम करने वाली हूँ, मैं काफी actually मेरे से ज़्यादा मेरी family excited थी, because they were like, oh my God, Vatsal के साथ you're working. So yeah, एक हसीना थी would be my favorite work that he
एक
did.
हसीना थी में ही आपको प्यार हो गया था, या was it as we read रिश्तों का
Actually उसको Just Mohabbat में हुआ था, पर उसके parents ने allow नहीं किया था.
I was not allowed to watch Just Mohabbat when I was in school. I don't know why my mom was like, नहीं ये बच्चों का show नहीं है, तू बहुत छोटी हो. I have never seen that show.
Okay. Okay,
but नहीं, I honestly when I saw him in the show ना, मुझे लगा बहुत talkative होंगे, बहुत naughty होंगे, because that's the character he was playing. When I met him on the sets of our show Bazigar, मुझे काफी shocking लगा because he was so quiet. वो किसी मतलब बात करते थे, but he was not like his personality on screen and off screen is like poles apart. तो पहले मुझे लगा क्या है ये?
Did you feel attracted to him on the sets of Ek Hasina Thi? Or did it have to happen only in Rishtton Ka Saudagar?
नहीं, not in when I saw him तभी नहीं, ऐसा कुछ feeling नहीं था. When I did Bazigar also we became friends. But धीरे धीरे when I got to know the person that he is, I think then I was like, okay, you know, he's a nice guy. You know, he's pretty straightforward. जो है fact वो बोल देंगे. He doesn't go around. So I think these qualities I really liked. जो बहुत कम लोगों में देखने को मिलता है. You know, कुछ होते हैं कुछ और, and then you know they pretend to be something else. But even if he would say something that I don't like, he would say it because that's who he is. You know, he will not sugarcoat it. So मुझे वो बहुत पसंद आया. And show के दौरान, you know, he was very nice to me. And धीरे धीरे show खत्म हो गया. And then, you know, we kept in touch. And then शादी हो गई.
Vatsal, tell me who expressed I love you first?
I.
Where?
It was me. Actually, it was not, I mean, you know, honestly, I am very, very boring person. When I proposed her, we were actually, you know, we were just sitting casually, and मैंने casually पूछ लिया that, you know, Ishita, let's get married. And
no, I'll tell you what he said. I remember the words. So how long do you want to wait before getting married? इतना twist question था. I was like, क्या? And till then we had not discussed about our future. हमने बात ही नहीं की थी. मुझे लगता था कि पता नहीं ये शादी करेगा भी कि नहीं, because he would never talk about those things. And we had just dated for 2-3 months, 4 months I think. तो इतना early था relationship में that I also did not want to talk about something in the future. And I think I was eating something और उन्होंने just ऐसे पूछा, and I was like, क्या? No, मतलब how long do you want to wait before you get married? I said, you get married कि we? Like, please clarify कर दो because मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. I said, can you ask me properly? Then he said, I want to marry you. Will you marry me? I said, अब समझ में आया क्या कह रहे, एकदम clear crystal. And then I said, I'll take some time. मुझे थोड़ा वक्त चाहिए. और इन्होंने कहा वक्त चाहिए. I said, हाँ मुझे थोड़ा वक्त चाहिए. And I think 2 घंटे बाद I was like, हाँ शादी करनी है.
And actually उनको reason तो बताओ कि मैंने क्यों पूछा था.
The funniest is कि I think
so okay, let me tell you. So what happened is that you know, I live in Juhu and Ishita lives, she used to live in Lokhandwala, and metro का काम चल रहा था. So you know, I mean, because we were dating, we wanted to see each other. So almost every day, you know, we used to meet each other. और वहाँ पे इतने अच्छे कॉफी शॉप्स नहीं थे, तो हम बहुत पक गए थे. एक तो कॉफी शॉप्स अच्छे नहीं थे, ऊपर से मेट्रो का काम चल रहा था, इतना ट्रैफिक होता था. So I told Ishita, I said that Ishita नहीं हो सकता, you know, like I can't come every day because मेट्रो का काम चल रहा है, या अच्छी कॉफी शॉप नहीं है, कहाँ क्या करेंगे. तो ऐसे better है, let's get married.
So he tells people that he got married because travel उनको convenient नहीं लग रहा था. That's why he asked me. तो अगर मेट्रो काम नहीं होता तो हमारी शादी नहीं होती.
Maybe.
Okay, that's very interesting. Okay, tell me, both of you have gone to Big Boss. both of you gone to Nach Baliye, but as a guest. No intention participating in these two shows?
Honestly, Nach Baliye or any kind of dance reality show, we wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
Although we're not great dancers, but I think it'll be fun, you know. सीखने को मिलेगा, लोग साथ interact करने को मिलेगा. Big Boss, on the other hand, I feel, you know, you need to be very strong as a person to go into Big Boss because, you know, no phone, no family. मुझे लगता है personally, I am not so strong to be away from family कि कुछ पता ही नहीं क्या हो रहा है. So that is why if it's ever offered to me, I would probably think about it. I mean, I'm not sure.
And for me, if I go to Big Boss, I'll be out in the first week because I'm very bored.
हम लोग दोनों बहुत boring हैं.
बहुत boring है. हम लोग कोई मसाला नहीं दे पाएंगे उनको. कुछ मसाला, झगड़ा, लड़ाई, गाली गलौज कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो पहले वीक ही निकाल देंगे.
I'll probably be the person जो रोती है. So I'll start crying. So I'll be that, you know, रोने वाली लड़की. So मुझे भी निकाल देंगे वो.
So what's happening to work? You got good response from Malang, I believe.
Well, yes, it was an amazing response, although it was a cameo, but I didn't expect this kind of response, but it was great fun working with Mohit, Aditya. Actually, Aditya and me, we have a connection. His brother, Kunal Roy Kapoor. We both started our acting career together in Just Mohabbat. So me and Aditya's brother, Kunal, we were together in Just Mohabbat. Apart from this, my next feature film, Gujarati film, which was supposed to release last year, but unfortunately lockdown ke wajah se release nahi ho pai. So I'm very, very excited about that film. It's called Who Hamari Wife Ne Husband. It's a Gujarati film and my first time doing a Gujarati film, so I'm very, very excited about it. So that's there. And apart from that, you must be wondering that itni daadi kyun badha ke rakhi hai. Well, it's for a feature film. Yeah, it's for a feature film, but unfortunately I can't tell you anything about it. I'm under a watertight contract. So hopefully announcement jaldi aayega. But I'm very, very excited about this film, like very, very excited.
Ishita, what about you?
So my show Bepana Pyar just got over before the lockdown, and after that I've been talking to certain projects, but unfortunately the second lockdown happened, and I don't have clarity on whether those projects are happening now or later. So I think I'll talk about it once I know वो हो रहा है. अभी कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा honestly मुझे, but yeah, I hope that in the next 2-3 months, you know, the lockdown is over and work can start.
And
yes, of course, Drishyam is going to happen, Drishyam 2. Again, I'm waiting for the makers to. They've already announced that they're doing it, but we don't know वो कब होने वाला है. I am super excited because I've seen the Malayalam version of Drishyam 2, and I think it was
amazing,
fabulous. I think generally remakes होता है तो tension होता है कि remake मतलब second part आता है, so you know you want to know कि is it as good as the first part, and I think they have done justice to the thrill, and I'm very excited.
Actually, I'm really excited to watch her in Drishyam 2.
No, I think it was absolutely fantastic. You, Ajay, and that unforgettable character Gaitonde.
Yes. Oh my God. He was amazing.
Absolutely fantastic. So I have come to the conclusion that this couple is made for each other. Touch wood.
Thank you.
It is that way, I hope. And I wish you all the best for the future. Thank you so much, Ishita.
Thank you.
And thank you so much, Vatsal, for joining me on E-Times.
Thank you so much, Vicky Bhai. Thank you so much.